Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is what is watt. So let's start. Watt is the measure of the rate of energy transfer over a unit of time. With 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Watt is the unit of power and it is denoted by W bar. In terms of electromagnetism, 1 watt is the rate at which electrical work is performed when a current of 1 ampere flow across an electrical potential difference of 1 volt, meaning the watt is equivalent to the volt multiplied by ampere. Now we are going to find electrical appliances voltage for single phase. The formula is power is equal to voltage multiplied by current. For example, single phase motor takes 3 ampere current and voltage 220 volt. Find its power. In this example, the voltage and current are given and the required is power. So put the values in this formula. 200 multiplied by 3. The answer becomes 600. So the power is 600 watts. For three phase, the formula is P is equal to V multiplied by I multiplied by power factor multiplied by under root 3. For example, a three-phase induction motor 415 volt takes 10 ampere and power factor is 0.8. Find its power. So now put the values in this formula. 415 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by under root 3. So the answer becomes 5550 watts. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.